So now I want to talk to you about remarketing and retargeting. Why does it work? So this is when you see an advert on the internet and then the next day you see the same product or service being marketed back at you. That's remarketing. So what are we actually trying to do with marketing or digital marketing? Well, we're trying to entice real world change. And we're using digital media to try and get someone to change their mind and change the way they're living their lives. That's not easy. So what we need to do is make it easier for that customer to make that leap of faith and engage with our product and service. And it's all about closing the gap. In order to close the gap, we need more than one message that's going to reach the customer. We need at least 2 messages. So the whole idea about remarketing, it's a double tap to get your customer to make the first step and land on your first landing page with your first ad. But just because they don't buy straight away, it doesn't mean they're not going to buy later. So remarketing lets us re-engage the customer on a different channel with a different message. And if we do that successfully, we significantly increase the chance of those customers engaging with our product and service.